So if you have made an ILoveIMG profile, then what you can actually do is you can change around its security settings as well to keep your account secure. So to do that, you can simply go to your profile section over here on to the top right hand side and then click on account settings. So once you do that, over here on the left hand side, you can click on security right here. Once you do that, over here you can see that password section is visible. So you can go ahead and enter out your current password and then let's say enter out a new password to go ahead and change it out. Apart from that, the two-factor authentication, as you can see, is enabled in my case. So you can go ahead and enable it out from here or enter your password to disable and enable it out as you want again. So this is basically, you can go ahead and this is how you can add in an extra layer of security to your ILoveIMG account. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.